Hello everyone! Welcome to Read with Reenie. If you like videos like this one, don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel. After the video, stick around for some reading comprehension questions about the book. These are also available on PinkCatGames. Today's book is Little Acorn. Little Acorn. When I was just an acorn, nobody noticed me. I watched the world below go by from high up in my tree. I nestled under cozy leaves and sheltered from the rain, growing fat and shiny when the sun came out again. When the summer faded, the leaves turned golden brown. "Bye-bye, acorn," said the leaves, floating to the ground. "Wait for me," I called. Then ready, steady, jump! Whee! I tumbled through the air and landed with a thump. Squirrel was collecting nuts for his winter store. He hid me carefully away beneath the forest floor. Underground, everything was snuggly and still. I waited very patiently for time to pass until I felt a sudden change beginning deep inside. "I'm feeling so peculiar. What's happening?" I cried. "You're growing up," said the worms, all wriggling about. "When acorns fall into the soil, at some point they will sprout." I giggled as I felt tickly, teeny tiny shoots, and before I knew it, I had sprouted little roots. I started to stretch up, wiggling left and right, reaching up and up till I pushed out into the light. Warmed by gentle sunbeams, my little leaves unfurled. I was so excited to be back out in the world. As the weeks and months passed by, I grew and grew and grew. Squirrel spotted me and said, "I've been looking everywhere for you." The seasons changed, and so did I. In sunshine, rain, and snow. My branches stretched, my trunk grew tall, my roots spread far below. Among my sturdy branches, the birds built cozy nests. My twigs and leaves made soft, warm beds for my feathered guests. Spiders weaved their sticky webs, and beetles scurried by. Squirrels scampered playfully and made their homes up high. The creatures of the forest had never seen a finer tree. I wondered, would there ever be another one like me? Then, one breezy morning, I woke up with a yawn. I stretched my branches, and out jumped a special little acorn. Every oak tree starts life as a seed called an acorn, growing on an adult tree. The acorn drops off into the soil where it sprouts roots. As the roots grow down, a leafy shoot sprouts up, growing taller and taller. The acorn is now a baby tree called a seedling. It continues to grow bigger and bigger until it is a new oak tree and grows acorns of its own. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to subscribe if you like this video. Now we're going to get into some review questions, and as always, if you are able to, please support the author and publisher of this book, which is Scholastic, by buying your very own copy if you're able to. Where was the acorn at the beginning of the story? What made the acorn fall from the tree? Who put the acorn in the ground? Who did the acorn talk to when he was underground? What started growing out of acorn? What did the acorn become? What happened at the very end of the story?